Welcome to OnlySocial. In this video, I will show you how to add Telegram channels to your OnlySocial account, enabling you to plan and schedule posts. OnlySocial's Telegram posting supports text, images, and videos. Let's get started. First, log into your OnlySocial account. From the main menu, click on Accounts. Then select Add Account and choose Telegram from the list of supported social media platforms. Enter your Telegram channel handle in the provided field. Before doing so, you will need to add the OnlySocial bot as an admin to your channel. Open your Telegram channel, click on the Channel Options menu, and select the Manage Channel option. Next, select Administrators, and then click on Add Administrator. This will allow you to add the OnlySocial bot as an admin to your channel. In the search bar, type in OnlySocial_bot. Make sure you select the bot with the OnlySocial logo and username OnlySocial_bot. Click OK and enable the Manage Messages privileges. This will allow the bot to manage posts in your channel. After adding OnlySocial bot to your Telegram channel as an admin, click on the Channel Options menu and select the Manage Channel option. Click on the account type and copy your handle. Return to OnlySocial and paste your Telegram channel handle in the provided field. Once you have pasted your channel handle, click Connect. Your channel will then be imported into OnlySocial, enabling you to schedule and manage your posts effortlessly. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Telegram channel to OnlySocial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy posting!